said, distraction proofing. So I'm gonna run her through everything and see where she's at. Like I said, she has heard a bunch of this stuff already, so we'll see how she does. Come. Lily, come. Good girl. Sit. Good. Down. Oh, that's not good. Lily, down. She's just like, I'm just gonna bite your hand and sit. Lily, please. Good girl. That's it. Can you sit? Sit. Good girl. Right. So you got a somewhat okay recall. She did sit. She didn't want it down for me. She did place. So let's see where she's at on heel. Lily, heel. Bite my hand off. Good girl. Good. That's a good girl. Very nice. You can see it's not perfect, but she does have a concept of healing. They've done some luring work with that. So she's got a really, really good foundation. But we've just got some stuff to do over the next 2 weeks to shape all that up and get that off-leash reliability. So check back in and see how the